Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2020 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: tires 245/45 BSWS performance, pitch black clear coat, plus package included, 276-watt amplifier. For details visit driveuconnect.com. Heated front seats, radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, bright pedals. Tires 245/45 BSWS performance, front fog lamps, shark fin antenna, 4 grams LTE Wi-Fi, hotspot, door trim panel with ambient lighting, heated steering wheel, 8.4 touchscreen display, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 satin carbon painted, power tilt, telescope steering column, Sirius XM satellite radio, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112. Anti-lock 4-wheel disc performance.